Hello friends, what's up? This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on The With Tech. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, so make sure you watch the video till the end. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So let's see what we got in the box today. So let's go ahead and review the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have 11 hours of playtime. They have two-way speakers for rich sound. They have triple mic for clear voice calls. These earbuds support Qi wireless charging. When you order the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, in the package you get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So let's go ahead and unbox them. So in the box we get this user manual, a quick start guide. So this says sound by AKG. They have a USB-C charging port. And here they are. A left bud and a right bud. They have this ear canal support and the buds that can be replaced with the different size. I can read an L here and an R here. These come with a USB-C to USB-A cable. Doesn't have an adapter. And as Samsung mentioned, they support Qi charging, so let's try charging them with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Does Samsung support reverse charging? Let's first try charging them on. Yes, they are charging here, as you can see. Now let's try charging them with the phone. I may have to enable some feature for them to start reverse charging. So if you try to buy these in the market, you can get them in Staples for $200. And when I checked on Amazon, they were selling for $200 here in Canada. So let's go ahead and pair them. Pairing is pretty easy. So the moment you bring them close to the device detects them and you can simply say connect. So it's asking me to allow my contacts, my phone logs, my SMS. I can start Spotify from my headphones. It does show me that the left bud has 80% power and the right bud has 85%, which is a good thing. I can control the ambient sound with low to medium to high. It has equalizers, so let's try them. So they're good. So if I was to buy them and compare with an ordinary brand like Ofo, which are also wireless earbuds, I would be rather in a confusion because these ones that I have, and if you want to see the unboxing video for these, I will put the link. So when I compare them with this headphones that I have, they look pretty much the same to me. In fact, they don't even have a loop to hold. They have a single light here, while these ones that I have 3 lights. The good part about Samsung ones is they are easily pairable with your device. You can control them from the app. These ones I don't have any app to control. So overall, yes, they are good to get them with the phone, but buying them separately, I would think again, because when I put them in my ear, they kind of stay out, which I don't like much. They don't even have any loop to hold while running or while working out. I don't know how long will they stay and how well will they stick. So I'm going to test these and I'm going to make a separate video on these. So that was my unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Let me know if you have got them, what was your experience, and that's pretty much it. If you're looking to buy this product, I have given the product link in the video description. That way you can click the link and buy the product, and I'll also get some affiliate reference from Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share your comments and share this video with your friends. So hope to see you again in some other video. Till then, goodbye.